Now that I've got my new Weber 22-inch kettle grill, something I didn't do for the previous grill that I'm going to do this time around, I'm going to use a grill cover. So let me go ahead and take this out of the box and let's see what we've got here. I'm not going to use a knife, I'm just going for it. There we go. So it's a gray cover. Feels like a nylon material. Pretty simple. It's got the Weber logo on there. Goes over the top. It covers the whole thing. Now, right here on the package it says fits 22 inch. And that's a 22-inch grill. That's how I knew which one to buy. This one is stock number 7176. So the grill cover also has this strap here that I'm guessing is just it's a Velcro strap. It's probably to attach it so even in high wind it doesn't blow away, or if it does blow off the grill, at least it doesn't go across the yard. But as long as the grill is not hot, I should be able to put this over it, and it might make it look a little bit less like an eyesore back here. The only concern I have is that moisture might get trapped underneath it, and that might actually create a situation that accelerates the rust process on it. So only time will tell. But for now, I thought, why not? I got a new grill, let's get a grill cover, and maybe I'll do a video in a few years and let you know if I've had any issues with it. Thanks for watching.